very happy morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about some of the respiratory disorders. Let us see what are the respiratory disorders which is caused to the human respiratory system. The first one is asthma. It is a disease where people face difficulty in breathing and causing wheezing due to inflammation of bronchi and bronchioles. The second disease is emphysema. It is a chronic disorder in which alveolar walls are damaged, due to which respiratory surface is decreased. One of the major causes of this is cigarette smoking. There is another disease which is called as occupational respiratory disorders. In certain industries, especially those involving in grinding or stone breaking, so much dust is produced that the defense mechanism of the body cannot fully cope up with the situation. Long exposure can give rise to inflammation leading to fibrosis and thus causing serious lung damage. Workers in such industries should wear protective masks daily. There are other few disorders like deep sickness. The deep sea divers generally face this problem when they go down deep into the sea and is lifted rapidly to the surface. The phenomenon is as follows. As the diver goes deep the water, pressure rises, which tends to collapse his lungs. Therefore, to prevent it, he breathes compressed air at high pressure. But this high pressure breathing increases the partial pressure of gases in the alveoli. The rise of nitrogen pressure affects the body most as it diffuses and dissolves into blood and body fat. Due to this, the diver loses strength, work capacity and feel drowsy. There are other diseases like pneumonia, berylliosis, pneumothorax and silicosis, asbestosis. So let us see about this other respiratory disorders in detail. The first one is pneumonia. It is a bacterial infection. Due to this bacterial infection of lungs, the surface area of diffusion decreases so that it affects the breathing. The second one is berylliosis. Due to thickening of alveolar and capillary membranes, the exchange of gases is hindered. The third one is pneumothorax. In this disease, the collapse of lungs due to pressure of thoracic activity occurs. This generally happens due to sneaking of air bubble in this cavity, also in the midst of thick vehicular traffic of carbon dioxide is released in the fume of half-burnt fuel. The next disease is silicosis. Due to deposition of silica in alveoli, the thickening of alveolar and capillaries membrane occur. This generally is found in workers of mica mines and brick kiln factories. The last disorder is asbestosis. Due to the deposition of asbestos dust or cement in the lungs, this disease will occur. This is common among the workers of cement or asbestos factories. These are some of the disorders which will cause in the human respiratory system. Thank you.